Hi, hello, welcome to our new YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SQL Server from the Microsoft. Okay, so let's start the video. So, just open the browser, whichever that you want. So, just type Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server. Just click on this, and you directly will see the first website or the first link of the from the Microsoft. You just go to this website. You can see in the down, you can see like there are two editions, right? One is for developer and one is for express. So I'll just show you what are those difference. Okay, so you can see here the difference between developer and express edition. So you should think before which while you before you downloading. Okay, so this is the developer edition, this is the express one. So the purpose is for here for developer is development and testing, and express is for it's just a lightweight production and for learning purpose. And if you see the future set, it just has a for the in some companies or the some enterprise for that purpose, and it's have some limited features. But when it comes to the developer edition, it's have much more other features compared to the express edition. Okay, so now if you come to the CPU limit, there will be no limit on the developer edition. Okay, but here you can see a one CPU and 4 cores. So you will understand when you are working with the multiple systems, right? So in the same way we have the RAM, there's no limit on this, but here 1 GB per instance. Okay, so when it comes to the database size, there is no limit here, but here it is 10 GB per database, right? So and if you come for your licensing, both are free, but this is for non-production and this is for production, right? So now we are going to download the express edition. Okay, so now you can see here the right side is the express edition. If you suppose if you're using some other you know operating system like Linux or some other operating system, so you have to choose your before you're downloading. Okay, suppose if you're using Windows or the Mac, the system automatically detects what operating system that you're using and it will display, so no need to choose separately. So just you need to click on the download button. So just save wherever you want. So the download is completed, just of just 4 MB. Just double click on that, click on run. So it takes some time to install. Okay, so before that you need to choose. So their basic, custom and download media. So custom is just like you can customize the what things that you want to install the things. Okay, so just don't worry about this too, just click on the basic. Then so just if you want to read the license and agreement, you can read it if you have a time, or else just click accept. So just don't worry where it is installing, just install it, let it be installed in the C drive. Okay, just click on install. So wait for some time until it gets installed. So once it downloads successful, again it will take some other packages to install in your system. Okay, so have patience and just sit tight. So now you can see the installation is done, and you can see here something called connection string, which where you can connect from SQL to some other programming languages. And here is the log folder where you get all those the error kind of things it will be shown in this, and the installation media folder and the resource folder. Okay, so now what you need to do is just click on the connect now. So once you click on the connect now, so you can see here one row affected, right? It's showing one rows affected. So that means it is properly it is installed. Okay, so now you can minimize this. So now you can see here install SSMS. So what is SSMS means? SQL Server Management Studio. So it's an user interface of your SQL Server or the the database. Okay, so just click on this. So again the Chrome will or the browser will open. So about download SQL Server Management Studio, it is also owned by the Microsoft company. So all you need to do is just come down. You can see here download SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on this. So it will take, so I'll just save this. So it will take some time to download because it's having around 473 MB. So the SSMS has been installed. I'll just go to that folder, double click on this, click on run to install the thing. So right now it's have a path where it to install it. Don't change the path. I'm repeating again, don't change the path, just click on install button. So again it will take some time to install all the packages that it has. So 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 now you can see the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio has been installed. So just close this. Okay, you can also close this one. You sure to exit? Yes. Now come to the search and type SQL Server Management Studio. This is the 20th version. Okay, SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on this and wait for some time to open this. So now you can see the SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, has been opened. So all you need to do is just click on connect button. So it is the SSMS has been connected. Now you can see the options here, like database, security, all those things are here. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to work with the database, all this, how to create a simple database, and also I'll show you the interface. I'll explain the interface of the SSMS Studio. Okay, so till that, take care, bye bye.